Communism is a political and economic ideology that seeks to create a classless, stateless, and equal society where the means of production are collectively owned and resources are distributed based on need. Communists aim to eliminate private property, money, and the state, and establish a global communist society. Key principles of communism include classless society with no exploitation or oppression, collective ownership of the means of production, distribution of resources based on need, not market principles, no private property, money, or state, global communist society with no borders or nations, emphasis on social and economic equality, critique of capitalism, imperialism, and inequality. Communism has various forms, including Marxism-Leninism, emphasis on revolutionary change and state control. Maoism, emphasis on rural revolution and cultural transformation. Trotskyism, emphasis on permanent revolution and internationalism. Anarchism, emphasis on decentralized, stateless communism. Eurocommunism, emphasis on democratic reform and human rights. Notable communist thinkers and leaders include Karl Marx, Vladimir Lenin, Mao Zedong, Leon Trotsky, and Fidel Castro. Note: while communism aims to create an equal society, many communist regimes have been criticized for their authoritarian nature and human rights violations.